If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Serenity Series Quiet window air conditioners are efficient, cool, and the quietest in their class. In fact, independent tests conducted by Intertech, the industry's leading testing lab, have verified that Haier's Serenity Series Quiet 6,000 and 8,000 BTU window air conditioners are on average more than 9.5 decibels quieter than comparable models from their 4 biggest competitors, and more than 20 decibels quieter than some. That's quiet. Very quiet. Haier's secret is an exclusive dual fan design that features an innovative cross-flow fan with U-shaped evaporator and sound-isolating compressor blanket. It puts the cool in your room and keeps the noise outdoors. Enjoy cool comfort and a peaceful quiet with Haier's Serenity Series Quiet window air conditioners. Haier. Inspired living.